Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hello students, according to the given question, we have to find the following answers. So, a probability model for the amount of Alphanos units wins is shown below. So, we have x values and p of x values. So, here $8 means it is 6 by 36. For $2 it is 10 by 36. For dollars minus 3 it will be 20 by 36. Now expectation of x will be the expected value of the Alphanos winning. So it is summation xi into p of xi is the formula. So x, p of x and xi into p of xi. So here we have 8, 2 and minus 3. So here it is 6 by 36, 10 by 36 and 20 by 36. So by multiplying we get 48 by 36, 20 by 36 minus 60 by 36. So expectation of x will be equal to summation xi into p of xi. So which is equal to, by adding all these three, we get 8 by 36 which is equal to 0.222. Now variance of x will be equal to the formula expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. So where expectation of x square is equal to summation xi square minus p. So here it is into p of xi. So from the table values x, p of x and xi square into p of xi. So here 8, 2 and minus 3. Here 6 by 36, 10 by 36 and here 20 by 36. So by multiplying 8 square into 6 by 36 we get 384 by 36. Here 40 by 36. Here 180 by 36. Therefore, summation xi square into p of xi value will be equal to 604 by 36 which is equal to 16.77778. Therefore, variance of x will be equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. So we get this value, that is 16.77778 minus 0.222 whole square. So which is equal to 16.728395. Now standard deviation is equal to root of variance. So which is equal to square root of 16.728395. So which is equal to the value 4.0900361. Therefore, the value's expectation of x is equal to the value 0.222 and expectation of x square value will be equal to 16.7778 and variance of x value will be equal to 16.728395 and standard deviation of x will be equal to 4.0900361. I hope you find the video useful. Thank you.